Next step is, I set this for half the thickness of the piece, which is 7/8. I set it to 7/16. I make a line through the center. I can check it by going over it on this side, and you're gonna see that it lines up almost perfect. Okay, in order to get the 45 coming across, if I take my gauge and at 45, and I line it up with the center line, right through the center, then that should give me my bevel cut right down the center. What I've done is I've set the fence for 2 1/4, which should be half the distance of this board, approximately. But as you can tell, is when I push up against it, that blade's way off. Okay, so that I know in order to get this correct is I'm gonna set that blade up so that I cut that line that's here, I'm gonna cut it right in half. I'm gonna make an adjustment. I know I have to make it a little bit wider. But I want to not only come to the edge of the blade, now I want to come to half the thickness of the blade. And if I've got it right, it should be just about right there. And I want to cut that line right in half. I'll run a test cut on it to see if that it does line up. What we have there, it may need a slight adjustment, but it's almost bang on for cutting that board right in half.